Hello. In this video I'm going to show you that there's more than meets the eye to the find and replace command. There's a lot more power here just lurking just underneath a couple of buttons here. So as an example, we're going to be working with Harry's Hatchery, and we'll assume that we work for Harry, and Harry's a little eccentric. In fact, what he's done is he has changed his name from Harry's Hatchery to Harry's Hatcheria. And he's registered that as a specific trademark with a specific font. It's going to look a certain way. So what we need to do is go through all of the documents and all of the letters and advertising materials that he uses, and we're going to replace Harry's Hatchery with Harry's Hatcheria. So I've started by finding the replace command on the Home tab, and we're going to put in what we want to find. Well, we want to find occurrences of Harry's Hatchery, and we want to replace it with Harry's Hatcheria. Now after Harry's Hatcheria, because he is registering this as a trademark, we want to put in the trademark symbol. And so we can use a little Alt code to do that. So we're going to hold down the Alt key on a PC and then 0153. And that puts in the registered trademark. So if I quit right now and I just did replace all, every occurrence of Harry's Hatcheria would change to every occurrence of Harry's Hatchery would change to Harry's Hatcheria. But remember, I said he has a special font that he wants in mind as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click this little More button. And when I click the More button, notice that we have all kinds of other options that we can choose. We can use wildcards in our search. We can even use phonetic search with sounds like. We can match the case, or we can find or change or replace specific formatting. And that is what I want to do. I want to add a specific font here that Harry's Hatcheria wants for all of their registered trademark here. So notice I could again put in all kinds of codes here. I'm going to go ahead and go into font, and we're just going to go ahead and add a really simple font here. I think we'll just use a font called Curl, if I can find it here. Okay, once I found the font, we'll go ahead and click OK. Got the Curls font here. Okay, so now I've got a specific font. Oh, let's do one more thing here too with the font. Let's go ahead and boldface it. I think it would look better boldface as well. So we have the specific font with the Curls font, and it's boldfaced. We'll go ahead and click OK, and now we'll go ahead and choose Replace All. And as soon as I choose Replace All, notice that I'll close the Find and Replace box here. Notice that every occurrence of Harry's Hatchery now becomes Harry's Hatcheria in that Curls font with the trademark example. Okay, so you can see it's very, very easy to use some of the additional power features of the find and replace. Again, you could find a specific code, like you could look for a boldface code or a paragraph symbol, or even a specific font within the document. All right, very easy to do. Again, you can find all these instructions on my website, luthermaddy.com. If you like this video, please consider liking it. Please consider subscribing so that you can keep track of all the videos that I put out. Thank you very much.